Here's a step-by-step guide to installing Facebook Pixel on your website. So first of all, go ahead to create Facebook Pixel. Go to the facebook.com/events manager, log into your Facebook account, of course, and then you're gonna be able to create a pixel. The pixel is already there, so you don't need an app to install it actually. So go click on the connect data resources and select web, and then click on get started, and then select the Facebook pixel and then click connect. Enter the name of your pixel in the website URL, optional, and then click continue. Then add pixel to your website. You can add it manually, or you can paste the pixel code to your website, and then you can use a partner integration. If you use a website builder like WordPress, Shopify, Wix, etc., you select your platform from the list of the partner integrations, and then you're gonna follow along the instructions, right? And then lastly, you're gonna just verify your pixel installations by installing Facebook Pixel Helper. Add the Pixel Helper extension to your Chrome browser, and then visit your website with the Facebook Pixel Helper enabled. The Pixel Helper will show if your pixel is working correctly, and from that point you're gonna be able to set up your events and select more than one pixel if you are using more than one website, and then you're gonna be able to test events. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.